Hi there. Welcome to Pin Scheduler, the smarter, safer way to plan your Pinterest strategy. Whether you're a blogger, content creator, or marketer, our tool helps you schedule your pins with ease and without risking your account. Unlike other schedulers that rely on Pinterest's API, we use Pinterest's own bulk upload feature, keeping your account 100% compliant and safe. Let's dive right in and get you started. Installing the Chrome extension. First, head over to our website and click the link to the Chrome extension. This will redirect you to the Chrome Web Store. There, you'll see our extension listed. Click Add to Chrome, and when prompted, confirm by clicking Add Extension. Chrome will begin installing it automatically. Once it's installed, I recommend pinning it for easy access. Just click the extensions icon at the top of your browser and then the pin icon next to Pin Scheduler. Now it will stay visible in your browser toolbar. Using the extension on a blog. To demonstrate how to use the extension, I've loaded a sample blog. This isn't a real article, just a dummy page with images so I can show you how everything works. Ideally, you'd use this on a published blog post with multiple images. Once you're on your blog page, click the extension icon. It will refresh the background and fetch all the images from the article. You'll see all the images listed inside the extension pop-up, exploring the free version features. Since I'm using the free version, it shows that I have a monthly limit of 100 images. At any given time, I can work with up to 10 images. To begin, you need to enter your Pinterest board names. For this example, I'll enter home decor and home decor ideas. Then click Load Boards. Once your boards are loaded, go ahead and select the images you want to schedule. You can select up to 10. As you click, the counter will update. When you reach 10, you won't be able to select more unless you upgrade. Next, let's walk through the scheduling options. For each selected image, you can edit the pin title. By default, it pulls in the blog article title, but you can change it to anything you like. For descriptions, the extension uses the image's alt text. If your blog has descriptive alt tags, those will automatically show here. Otherwise, you can manually edit the descriptions. You can also add keywords for each pin. Let's say I enter home decor and interior design ideas. Then choose the publish date and time. You can do it manually per pin, but there's also an automatic scheduler. Click Automatic Schedule, select a start date, for example, July 2nd, and choose an interval. For example, if you choose 5 days, each pin will be spaced 5 days apart. You can also choose a time range, like 8 a.m. to 11 p.m., to randomize when pins go out. Once you're happy with your setup, click Schedule Now. All the selected pins will be scheduled within the chosen date range and interval. You now have 2 options: copy to clipboard, download as CSV. For now, let's click Download CSV. This file contains all your pin data, image URLs, board names, titles, descriptions, keywords, and schedule. The Pro version, here's how to activate it. Click Upgrade to Pro inside the extension. Then go to your account on our website, open your profile, and copy your license key. Paste it into the extension and click Validate License. Once activated, the limits are removed. You can now select and schedule unlimited images each month. Now let me show you how to use the Pin Scheduler dashboard. After logging in, you'll see your current plan. For example, I'm on the Expert plan, which lets me manage up to 12 Pinterest accounts and 2,500 active pins per account. To begin, create a project. I'll name mine Home Decor Project. Now let's import the CSV we exported earlier. Click Upload CSV, select your file, and within a few seconds, all the pin data will be imported: images, boards, titles, descriptions, keywords, and publishing dates. There's another quick way to import pins, using the clipboard. First, visit another blog article and click the extension. Choose your board names, and the Pro version will auto-select all images. Remove any you don't need. Then set your schedule. For this example, I'll start from July 2nd, with a one-day interval and publishing time from 10 a.m. to 9 p.m. Then click Copy to Clipboard. Now head back to the dashboard and click Import from Clipboard. Grant the permission, and the new set of pins will be imported instantly. Inside the dashboard, you can switch between two views, Table View and Calendar View. In Calendar View, you can see how many pins are scheduled per day. For example, July 2nd might have 2 pins, July 7th has 2, and so on. You can also toggle to month or week view depending on how you prefer to manage your schedule. You can also add pins manually. Click Add Record, then enter pin title, pin description, board name, blog article URL, image URL, publish date. Then click Save Record. The pin will appear in your list.
Let's say you want to upload pin schedule for a specific day, for example, July 2nd. Just go to the calendar, select that date, and you'll see all the pins scheduled for that day. Next, click the Export button. This will download a CSV file containing only the pins for that selected date. Then go to your Pinterest account, head to Create Pins in Bulk, and upload the CSV file. After a few seconds, you should see a message confirming the upload was successful. It might take up to 2 hours for those pins to appear on your dashboard. That's it. This is how you can schedule your pins efficiently and safely using our Pin Scheduler extension. Since we're using Pinterest's native bulk uploader, your account remains safe from suspensions or reach bans. Everything is handled through official tools, and your scheduling process stays smooth and secure. We hope this helps you grow your account in a more sustainable way. Your feedback is always welcome, and we're constantly working on updates to improve the tool. Thanks for watching.